my Gemart Dash game. I'm not bad at this one. This is my first boss fight ever. So yeah, there's lots of technical difficulties. Okay, you're good. That time to sweat, time to eat. When you go that or you dodge it, when you go to that, you'll be eating. If you, I'll show you when you get eating. Okay, you're good. Time to sweat. No, man, I'm so bad at this. Bro, man, I'm gonna... Okay, you're good. Time to sweat. Time to... Oh, that's what happens. But I'll have another one. Monster Boss 2. Yeah. Okay, I'll fight for 2. And this one, I go here. Man, I'm so close. Told ya, that's the most possible thing ever. Say bye bye, guys.